Okay, folks, we're going to continue with our build with issue 72. Now in 71, we put the right hinge together. 72, you got to assemble the left hinge. I've already done that. So go back and look in the timeline and see how the right hinge was assembled. It's the same exact thing. So now we're going to put the hood on the car. Yeah. I've already done some things already. One thing very important, as I've been saying throughout the model build, pre-thread your holes. So I already went and ran a DM screw through each of these 4 holes because I know it's going to be a fight at the OK Corral to get these things in here with this. Yeah, boy, it'll pinch you right now with this hood. So that's going to be for sure. That's definitely going to be for sure. And I got my little cloth out here, the extra protection, not to scratch the thing. Yeah, got that out there too. Now what it says is we got to put it in these. This is going to be fun. In these 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 into here and over there, the same exact thing. Now let's see how we're going to do that. You just got to get them started, so I know that for a fact. So take a very gently one here. We're going to use our little clamps, and hopefully that can hold it down while we try to put these and get them at least one side started. But that's not going to work because that's going to get in the way. I'm trying to think about a way to do this without smashing my fingers. I haven't come up with one. You want to keep doing it like that. Well, there's a will, there's a way. Without scratching it. That's the key. And these little I don't scratch this thing putting these things in here. You know what? I know what the directions say. However, I'm going to try a couple of things here without scratching or dropping. Okay. If I was working on a real car, I would get this thing lined up. I was working on a real car. No, we're going to approach this that way. It would be easier, in my opinion, regardless of what these people said in their instructions, to get these things on here rather than fighting the hood. We're going to take these off of the hood itself. I mean, this is if we were working on a, putting this together in a real assembly of a car. I wouldn't try to flip the frame upside down and do it that way. May not be the best approach, but I'm going to approach it this way. Okay. Yeah, that would definitely help to make sure that we're putting it on the right side. Yeah, that's right, okay. Okay, that's going to be the hood side. So this is going in there just like that. Well, my theory didn't work out right. Good thing I realized it, because if I would have you can't screw it on once when it's on the car, unfortunately. Can't get the little screws in. So that's not going to work. So I have to fight this thing some kind of way. Also, when you're assembling this, the crazy direction gets you confused with your right and left. The inner gears have to be facing on towards the inside of the frames, which they would have put there. I got them. This is one of those situations where we're using our mind a lot. My wife always says, work smarter, not harder. I do try. I do try. I was trying to work smarter, and I did. Because what it did was I went ahead and saw before I screwed his things down. I'm like, huh, the camera was off, but I'm like, how the heck am I going to get the screwdriver in there? There's no way it was going to work. So, yeah, this is the way it's going to have to be. Now, I'll scratch the hood. That is a possibility. That's true. Okay. I'll give you some wiggle room. Make sure you wiggle. Okay. So, let's try to fit it back on there. Hopefully I can use this hood clamp to kind of close it, so I'm going to screw these things in. It fits real nice, and it'll fit it when it secures itself now. I might call upon my helper. But let's see. We're going to kind of put it on its side. Kind of ow. That was me smashing my finger. I'm going to try to get these little two screws. You can't see it, but I will show you when I turn it upside down. The two screws facing it. Let me try to rearrange the camera for you. Okay. Got it on its side. I'm just going to try to get the screw started. If I can get one of them started, it can kind of head good as holding it up. Walking this one over here. Okay, I'm gonna get the bottom one started over here. I'm on the bottom side. So right here. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. I'm right here in that screw. Now here's the trick. I'm going to hold that. And put the screw in there. Okay. You definitely want to do a mat with this. Okay, I got the two screws started, so that's good. I'm going to go back to the top. Kind of refasten up that screw. I'm off the camera, but forgive me. It's like a fight over here. Okay. Now that I got those two in, now we can kind of flip it upside down, rearrange the cameras, and do it the way the instructions said. Okay. Now, what we did was, I went ahead with these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turned it on its side so I could kind of guide it with my hand to get these 2 screws in. Now we just got to put these last 2 DM screws in. And I think we'll be alright. Looking for my other DM screw. Well, I hope that's in there. Yeah, my first original idea to assemble it like I would a real hood didn't work out right because, well, there's no way I was going to screw back on the car. There was no way I was going to be able to get to those little screws once when this hood was put in. So, okay, already, meaning, see where these little screws are right here? No way I would get to those little screws over here if I had not put it on the hood, if I hadn't assembled the hinges on the hood first. For the frame. Now here comes the moment of truth. Will the thing close? Well, that's okay. Yeah, because it's got the other frame. Yeah, it'll close. Alright. So it'll hit right there on its hinges, so that's good. Okay. Ooh, we didn't scratch it. That's even better. Now, there is a piece that's going to be left over from the other. That's for the next build, when we're going to go into stage number 73. So let's save that one for 73. Okay, this completes 71 and 72. The hinges in the hood. We finally put the hood on the car. That's in the move in the right direction. Hey, if you like what you saw, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I would appreciate it. And hit the notification bell for more builds. Until next time, may the good news be yours.